Hi, everybody. Hey, an inexpensive packet of beef was on sale at the market, so I'm marinating it. I will share that in a minute. And you don't need a wok for this, but this pan is similar in size. Get it really smoking hot, and then add your oil and get it hot. And I just use vegetable oil, not olive oil in this case, like I usually do. And then get the beef pieces in there. Now, keep in mind, they've been marinating, and I don't want too much of the marinade in there. I just want the beef. I'm going to do this in 2 stages. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. And it will get a little crust on it because there is some little bit of cornstarch in the mix. Okay, so after that's browned to your satisfaction, take it out. And then we're going to put the other half of the meat in. Here's a close-up of how it gets a little crust on it. And believe me, you should smell this right now. Okay, I take that out, get the pan hot again. You might need a tad more vegetable oil. We have some sliced onion. Forgive my camera work. I'm doing this with one hand. Garlic, crushed garlic, and some bell peppers. You can use different colored peppers if you want in this. And I don't usually put the garlic in at this point, but this is going to go really fast. It's just going to pick up a little bit of where the beef left off. Look, it's turning already. Just like maybe 2 minutes. It's been on that high heat. Just keep it stirring or moving around. I put the meat back in, and don't you know, I didn't put enough water in the second sauce. There's just 2 sauces, one at the beginning with marinades and one at the end. But we like a lot of sauce. You could do no sauce with this if you want, and serve rice on the side. But me and my hubby wanted some sauce or gravy, if you will, to pour over rice.